Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can use HashMap in automation testing using Selenium. So that is also a very common question asked in any automation interview. Okay, that where we are using the HashMap in our framework. Okay, so let's discuss this topic today. And before going to that, I would request each and everyone, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it, and please hit the bell button so you will get notification whenever I'm uploading a new video. And also share with your friends and families, okay, whoever is preparing for any automation testing interview or learning Java. So I think my videos will help them. Okay, and please like my videos and comment your thoughts. Okay, and if you need videos on any other technical topic, just let me know. I will try to create videos on that topic. Okay, so now coming to the code. Okay, so I think we know the hash map is storing data in a key value pair. Okay, and we mainly use hash map in automation testing for storing the username and password of any website. Okay, that is the main purpose, and that is mostly used for a hash map in any automation testing framework. So let's first see the code. So here what we are doing, we are creating a hash map object, okay, m1, and here the first value is indicating the key return type, and second is the value return type. Okay, and key value should be unique and the value data can be duplicated. Okay, so here the return type of key is string, and also the value return type, that is also string. Okay, now then what we are doing, we are adding value in the m1 hash map object. Okay, and to add any value we have to use put. Okay, so what we are doing, we are simply writing that m1 dot put username and then ram@gmail.com and colon ram1234. So what is this line? So first is m1 dot put means we are adding data to m1. First it is empty, right? So we need to add the data. User1 is the key, okay, key data, and this value, this is the value. So m1 is means the hash map is stored data in the key value pair. Two data should be stored. So first this user1 is the key. So like that we have created another key, that is users2, and the third is user3. And in the value what we are doing, we are storing the username of any website and also the password. Okay, this is the password and this is the username of any website, and we are concatenated using this colon. Okay, like that, colon, so that both the values are separated, can be separated. Okay, because why we are doing like that, that you will understand later. Okay, so this is first line. Now second line in the same manner, if you understand the first line, you will understand the second line also. That key value is user, this is the key data, and then in the value what we are doing, we are storing a email id along with that the password, and we are concatenating both with this colon. Okay, so this string is this one, this is total is the value, and this is user is the key. Third also we have taken another user, that is user3, and here we are storing the email id shiva@gmail.com and the colon and the password shiva1234. Fine. Then what we are doing next? Let's understand this line. So then first we are taken m1.get. So if we need to fetch any data for any particular key, then we have to give the object name of the hash map, that is m1 here, m1.get, to get the data of user1. User1 means this. So if we give like that, then we will get the key value pair. So key value we are giving, so the use value data we can get, and that what we are doing with we are splitting the value. So first m1.get user, if we give like that, till this one, then we will get the data of this ram@gmail.com ram1234. Till this one we are getting by this. Fine. Then what we are doing? Then we are splitting that value. These two value. Okay. This is a string, right? Sorry. This is a string. So we are splitting the value on the basis of this colon. Okay. So this colon. So this is splitting. So and we are storing it in a string array, that is A1. Okay, so in the first index of array A1, this value will be stored, and in the second index of A1, that is 1, we are storing the password. Fine. So this line is splitting the value, okay, of user 1. If you want to do user 2, you can do like that, user 3 like that. Then what we are doing? Okay, then we are printing this A1 0, means array of A1, we are fetching the data of index 0. Index 0 means what? We are splitting till this one, right? Till before the colon, this one. So this is getting the username, means the ram@gmail.com, that is getting stored in A1.0, and the password ram1234, that is getting stored A1 of 1. Okay, index 1. I think this is clear, right? If not clear, just let me know in the comment section. I will explain even in a detailed manner. Okay. So fine. So till this is HashMap concept we are using. Okay. Now we have already created, okay, the reference variable of WebDriver here, and now we are initializing it. So driver equal to new Chrome driver. Then driver.manage.window.maximize, that is we are maximizing the window. Now we are navigating to facebook.com. Instead of navigate to, we can use get driver.get and then give the URL. That is also fine. Then what we are doing, driver.findelement by.name. So here we are giving, we are locating the username by name value. Okay, so by there are 8 locators, right? Like id, xpath, partial link text, okay, class name, name, css selector. So here we are using name, and here what we are giving the value email, and here we are giving the same keys a1 0, means the 0 index value of a1 array. So here if you could see, this line username is a10. We are splitting it, right? So in the first part, username will be stored, and in the second part, password will be stored. So that value we are sending here. Then thread.sleep, okay. So the execution will be stopped for 3 seconds, so that you can see the value is getting been pasted, else it will be very fast, okay. So that's why I'm giving thread.sleep. Then again, password, we are using the locator name, and here we are sending the value a1 of one index. Okay, second index means first index means 0 is the first index, then the second index is 1 index of a1 array. So there if you see here, the password is getting stored. Okay, it is very simple, you just need to understand the concept only. Okay, then it will be very easy for you. And then in after method, once execution is done, we are tear down. Okay, we are using driver.quit method to stop, or means to close all the open sessions. Okay, so let's run it, let's see the result. Okay, okay, so username is pasted, then the password, if you see, ram1234. Okay, so this is correct. User 1 is pasted because we have given here user 1. So suppose we have given user 2. Let's see the result for user 2 also. Let's run it. Huh. So sham at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and this is the password sham1234. So it is also correct. Or we can take the user 3 also. Let's run it. So here shiva at the rate gmail.com and the password is shiva1234. Okay. So like that, by splitting the username and the password and storing it in a string array, okay, we can use the hash map. So hash map is mostly used for our credentials, storing the credentials. Okay, for this purpose we use in our automation testing. So if this type of question is asked in any automation interview, please explain this program. Okay, so I think that will be fine, and please practice it. Because why it is used, suppose any website there are different roles are available. Okay, suppose admin role, then manager role, then HR role. So for that different user and different password are getting created. Okay, so to log in, suppose we are logging into that website using admin credential or HR credential or manager credential, right? So we need to store it. So to store it, we need to use HashMap. Okay. So please practice it and please let me know if you have any other doubt. I will try to clear this doubt. Okay. And please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Okay. So that's all for today. Tomorrow again I will come with another video. Thank you all. Have a nice day.